So, we're picking back up where we left off. Hood's still up. The only thing I did do different since you were last watching is I took the cover off of where the shaft is. I put shaft and all that. Because it looks like I'm going to have to pull the motor completely out to try to get that stud broke loose. It's not wanting to break loose, so a little bit of, I guess, the corrosion and all that just over time, water setting in there and all that, and probably salt water as well. So I got to take a few things loose. I guess I can kind of point out what I got to take loose. Went ahead and marked this, put bottom on that so I know which one it goes on the carburetor, that one on top. Disconnect both of those. I got to unbolt the whole wire communication box and all that. Take these other two bolts out. Motor mounts. And oh yeah, and so I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little fitting right there, and that hose goes down into where I guess the main bearing for the shaft. And supposedly what I've been told is you can put about 1 pump of that waterproof grease into it every season. But that's still kind of like a gray area, because I guess it really just depends on how much you ride it each season. I mean, some people don't ride much, some people ride them way too much, if that's a thing. So, don't really know what to tell you on that, but I mean, that's, I guess, something you can kind of look up for yourself or talk to your local PCW dealer and see what they suggest. But yeah, so let's get started on this. Alright, so I've already cut the zip tie on that one and the zip tie on this one, because that's what I'm going to disconnect it since I've already got to replace this. That might be the easiest way to cap that off right now. Oh, good. That stinks. But it just tells you that I probably need to replace a lot of these lines. So that bracket's going to be a 10 millimeter. Saw that, but you see it just slides right in like that and slides right back out. So alrighty, I think we're about ready to pull this big girl out. Alrighty. Ta-da! Nice! Check out this sweet little dude right here. Heck yeah. Oh no! I have no motor. No engine. Definitely do some cleaning right now, that's for sure. Well, how about that? That's what it looks like outside of the hull. Cool. Yes! Woo! Got that mug out of there. Found this thing. Got another bad one. Alright, got the engine out. Sorry. Kind of wiped a lot of this down and all that. Gotta clean it obviously a little bit more, but one of the other things I found is that this has separated from the choke housing, so I'm gonna see if I can get, now this is not gonna work, so I'm gonna get a little bit bigger heat shrink, try to heat shrink that together, and then put a little bit bigger one on there as well. Get that fixed up. Gotta clean the manifold. Oh, wow. Gotta clean all this up to get the new gasket on here and all that kind of fun stuff, and then get both of the technically all four of these motor mounts put back in. And then I'm gonna try to grease this. This is what I was trying to explain to you earlier. Grease that up a little bit and everything, and we'll start trying to go back together with this thing. That should work for that one. I'll get a bigger one put on there. I think I'm gonna stop this video at this point in time. Got a bunch of other stuff to do, and I don't want to make all these videos very long and everything. So this one's just gonna be mostly getting the motor out, trying to get everything cleaned up. Next video I'm gonna be changing a bunch of fuel lines, other kind of stuff like that. So just stick around and wait for the next video. And hope y'all enjoyed this one. Got a few clips here at the end. Have a good one.